In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Green Dot online banking password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons, I've got you covered with this comprehensive guide. So let's dive right in. First, you need to go to the Green Dot login page. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, which is secure.greendot.com/login. Once you're on the login page, you're going to look for and click on the Forgot User ID Password link. It's usually located right below the login fields. Now, the next step depends on what information you have handy. You have to determine if you have your user ID, if you have your card, or if you don't have either. If you know your user ID, you're going to enter it along with your social security number. It's important to ensure your social security number is entered correctly to proceed. If you happen to have your Green Dot card but not your user ID, you'll be entering your card number, the CVV, from the back of the card, and your social security number. Again, details need to be correct here to move forward smoothly. On the other hand, if you don't have your user ID or your card with you, just enter your social security number along with your zip code. This will help Green Dot verify your identity based on the information you have on file with them. After inputting your details, go ahead and follow the steps that Green Dot provides to verify your identity. This might involve answering security questions or receiving a confirmation code via email or text message. Completing this step correctly is crucial, as it ensures your account's security isn't compromised. Once your identity is confirmed, it's time to create a new password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to make it more secure. Enter it once, and then re-enter it to confirm you've typed it correctly. Remember to keep this new password somewhere safe, or consider using a password manager to manage your credentials. Finally, after setting your new password, you can log back into your Green Dot account. Use your user ID and the new password you've just created. If successfully logged in, you've completed the password reset process. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Green Dot online banking password. Remember, it's a good practice to change your passwords regularly to enhance your online security. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your accounts securely. Thanks for watching, and until next time.